Every AI initiative eventually comes down to two KPIs, tokens per second and cost per million tokens. And most enterprises are overpaying, running everyday work on premium frontier models a private model could handle just as well. That's the tokenomics challenge. HPE Private Cloud AI and Safe Infer solve this by turning your platform into an enterprise token factory. Private models for the high-volume work, frontier models for the slice that needs them, with routing, cost control, and governance built in, and it's already part of the platform. Safe Infer installs as a tile on HPE Private Cloud AI, co-engineered with NVIDIA, so governance is there from day one, not bolted on later. Let me show you what that looks like in practice. This is your AI Token Factory portal, powered by Daxa Safe Infer. A developer building an agent doesn't file a ticket. They register their app here in 30 seconds. That's it. The platform handles the rest. Every model your platform team has approved is here, private and public side by side, with the use case each one is best for. The routing decision is already made for them. One click, they get a governed endpoint. The developer ships faster, and the economics stay in your hands. Once apps are live, every prompt, every model call, every tool invocation flows through here. You see tokens by team, by application, by model, in real time. Now when your CFO asks where the token spend went, you have receipts. Here's how you can manage your AI costs. The platform lets you set a token budget across teams and user groups. We've set this one to 3,000 tokens. Watch what happens when a prompt pushes past that limit. The request goes through, and Safe Infer flags it immediately. An alert showing the prompt hitting the token limit. This is how you stay in control of your token budget, not by reacting after the invoice, but by knowing the moment something steps out of line. The AI Token Factory tracks and builds your AI adoption report that your office has been trying to build by hand. User growth, workload portfolio, model mix, the split between private and frontier spend, agentic expansion, the incidents you prevented. This is what the AI program looks like in board language. Numbers, evidence, and a forward signal for your next infrastructure expansion. HPE Private Cloud AI gives you a powerful foundation for hybrid AI. Safe Infer is how you transform that platform into an enterprise token factory you can operate, scale, and defend.